we have changed our new logo. Hope you all like it too. There are actually a story behind the design and I wish I can share with you in the later stage. Today we are going to share with you the spicy fresh bean curd sheet with hand-shred chicken. If you have tried it, the spicy layer bean curd roast with beef from our last video, and if you think you can increase the spiciness, you can try this and I'm sure you will like it. For ingredients, we will need a pack of spicy fresh bean curd sheet, cucumber, chicken breast, garlic cloves. First, we wash the chicken breast using some cornstarch and salt. After drying it, add some cornstarch and salt to marinate it for 10 minutes. Remove the tips of the cucumber, then slice it into small shreds. Remove the skin of the garlic and dice it. Prepare a small pot of water. After the water has boiled, add the chicken breast and some oil and boil it for another 6 minutes. Use the brand Bell's spicy fresh bean curd sheet this time. Easy to buy from Parkland and some large wet market. We are using both little packs for 3 of us. And after boiling the chicken breast, we'll remove it from the water and let it cool. And after opening the bean curd, chop it into smaller pieces to eat. When the chicken is cooked, shred it using your hands. Tips again, try to share it as small as possible. It will bring you more tender and yummy. Prepare a heated pan, then start to fry the spicy fresh bean curd sheet. Then add the garlic. After frying, add the shredded chicken breast. Then add sesame oil, the cucumber slice, lastly adding sesame and it is ready to serve. Hot and spicy, fresh bean curd sheet with hand-shredded chicken. If you also like this more spiciness dish, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell next to it and you'll receive our next video at once. Thank you again for watching this video and we will share with you next time what to cook for tomorrow. See you again and have a nice day. Bye.